All right, if that's the way you feel.
Crank this motherfucker up.
Alright you guys, this is going to be a tutorial on how to make a real explosion, and this is legit, not fake. Alright, so we dug a hole right here, and this is very dangerous actually. You could actually start a fire, but it's really a wet day right now, so it's not going to be like, even if it does, there's a whole bunch of green leaves and everything around here, so it's not going to catch that easily. And plus we have water and everything out here. So we're going to start off by making a fire right here, and we're going to just show how we make the fire real quick. Alright. Alright, so let me see which lighter works best. Alright, let's use this one. Catch. So you just start off by wrinkling the piece of paper. And I learned all this like techniques and stuff from my friend. So that's all this. Alright, you put it underneath here, and then you just wait. So yeah. Let me get more. Okay, so it's kind of wet, so we're gonna need a little bit of gasoline. So remember, we have water and everything. We've done like a lot stupider shit than this. Alright, so we just got, it's kind of, the wood is kind of wet, so we're going to have to wait a little bit to get this warmed up. So yeah, we'll get back to you when we get all started and ready to go. Alright, you guys, as you can see, we got it going. It's really wet, so it's hard to start. But if you warm it up, it'll get going eventually.
Right here.
So yeah, this is gonna be pretty epic. Shit, you see how it's
doing?
Okay guys, I'm putting the spray paint in. It's just a little bit, so it's not gonna be that big.
Yeah, you have
So
to put spray paint. You have to put spray paint in
There we
it
go.
for the fire to go.
Okay. Holy shit. Holy shit. As you can see, you guys, this is pretty epic. And yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. This was pretty crazy.